Hello. My name is Victoria. Today, I will tell you a fun story about the water cycle. We will follow a water droplet named Wally on his amazing journey from the ocean to the sky and back to the ground. A long time ago, Wally the water droplet lived happily in the big, blue ocean. He loved splashing around with his friends and playing with the fish. Wally would race the little fish and make bubbles that tickled their fins. This is the life, Wally thought, smiling. One sunny day, Wally felt himself getting warmer and warmer. What's happening? He wondered. Suddenly, he started to float up into the sky. This was because the sun's heat was turning Wally into water vapor. Wow, I'm flying! Wally shouted with excitement. As Wally floated higher and higher into the sky, he joined other water droplets. Together, they formed a fluffy, white cloud. Hello, new friends! Wally greeted the other droplets. They all laughed and played, turning the cloud into a big, puffy playground. They played tag and hide-and-seek in the cloud, making funny shapes that people on the ground could see. One day, as Wally and his friends floated along, the cloud grew bigger and darker. Oh, we are getting heavy, Wally said. The wind blew the cloud over the land, and soon, the droplets started to fall back to the ground as raindrops. Here we go, Wally exclaimed as he zoomed down through the sky. Wally landed on a green, grassy field. What an adventure, he said, looking around. He soaked into the ground and joined other water droplets underground. They flowed together, creating a tiny stream that bubbled and giggled as it moved. Wally tickled the roots of plants as he passed by, making them wiggle and dance. The stream joined a larger river, and Wally flowed happily along, passing trees, animals, and little villages. This is so much fun! Wally laughed, waving to the frogs and birds he passed by. He even gave a ride to a leaf boat that a little ant was sailing. The river carried Wally to a big waterfall. Whee! Wally shouted as he tumbled over the edge, splashing into the pool below. He twirled around with his friends, creating sparkling rainbows in the mist. Eventually, the river carried Wally back to the big, blue ocean. Home at last, he cheered. He splashed around with his old friends, telling them all about his amazing journey to the sky and back. They listened with wide eyes, excited to have their own adventures someday. And so, Wally the water droplet continued to enjoy his adventures, knowing that he would someday be warmed by the sun again, float up to the sky, and fall back down to the ground in an endless, wonderful cycle. Goodbye, children. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.